Fix Facebook Reels not playing. Quick troubleshooting for video content. So if Facebook Reels are not playing, whenever you go to the Reels tab and it is not playing for any sort of reason like that, there could be various reasons for this. Starting with your internet connection. So simply swipe from the top right hand side of the screen, and over here if you're connected to Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa, and then see if that helps you solve the problem. Now once you've done that, if that doesn't, if you're using on Android, long press the Facebook app icon, then tap on this I button to come to the app info page. Once we're here, go to storage, where you can clear the cache files and you can also clear the data of the Facebook application. Then go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the Facebook app, and you want to check if it has an update available, and if it does, then just make sure to update it to the latest version. And this way you can fix if the Facebook Reels are not playing for you. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.